many trades have you missed because your funds were elsewhere? Half the trading challenge is simply having enough capital at the right time. And that's exactly the flexibility MTF gives you. Think of MTF as a way to take bigger trades without putting up the entire amount yourself. You put in a portion of the money and Angel One gives you up to 4x leverage on top of your existing trading balance. That's it. No complicated math. Let's take an example. You have rupees 10,000. Normally, you can only buy shares worth rupees 10,000, right? But with MTF, you can get up to 4x buying power. So your 10,000 can help you take a 50,000 position with 40,000 funded through MTF. Different stocks come with different leverage levels. You can view the complete list right inside the app. The idea is very simple. If you have conviction in a stock but feel short on capital, MTF gives you the boost. Now, a lot of traders use MTF not to overtrade, but for very practical reasons. Maybe your money is already spread across open positions. A new opportunity pops up, but you don't want to exit anything, or you don't want to wait for a payout, fund transfer, or settlement. In situations like these, MTF helps you manage the moment without disturbing your existing trades. You can take the new position, hold it for multiple days, and close it whenever you choose within the guidelines that apply. Please note that Angel One charges interest of 0.041% per day on the borrowed amount. That is the part of the trade funded through MTF. Now here's what you need to know about MTF in plain English. Margin is the amount you put in. Funding is the amount the broker adds. Interest is the daily cost on the funded amount till you close the position. Collateral, your existing stocks that you can pledge instead of using free cash. Inside the app, you'll see all these clearly mentioned. So in short, MTF helps you do more with the money you already have. Your buying power gets a 4x boost on eligible stocks. You only pay interest on the funded portion. And now, with the latest MTF updates, everything is now shown upfront. Your limits, funding used, interest and charges charged, and even a clearer breakdown in your ledger and portfolio. So you always know exactly what's happening with your MTF positions. MTF isn't about trading bigger for the sake of it. It's about timing, opportunity, and flexibly managing your capital when the market moves. Explore MTF on Angel One.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.